In a world once lush with green and bursting with life, the forests whispered secrets to those who cared to listen. But that was long ago. Now, the earth lies cracked and tired. Cities of metal stretch where meadows once bloomed. The skies, grey. The winds, silent. All except for one little garden, hidden behind a crumbling wall. Tended by a boy named Aru. Aru wasn't like other kids. He didn't speak much to people. But he spoke to plants. And sometimes, they whispered back. One day, while digging in the far corner of the garden, Aru's hands brushed something different. A strange seed, warm to the touch, glowing faintly. That night, the seed whispered its first words. "Take me to the tree of roots." The tree of roots was a legend said to be the first tree ever planted, the mother of all forests. But no one had seen it in hundreds of years. Still, Aru believed. With only his spade, a satchel, and the seed in his pocket, Aru set out into the deadlands. He walked through lifeless fields, past rusted machines, across rivers long dried. And everywhere, the world seemed to watch. But not all eyes were kind. In the shadows followed the Ashborn creatures born from pollution and greed. They hated life, and they had one mission: silence the seed. Forever. At last, Aru found it. The tree of roots, half buried, barely alive. The moment he planted the seed, the earth shook. A pulse of green light spread like a heartbeat. Roots cracked open stone. Flowers erupted from ash, and the Ashborn vanished into dust. The tree awakened. "You listened, little one," it said. "And now, the world can heal." From that day, life began to return. The winds whispered again. The rains remembered their rhythm. And Aru, he became the first of the new gardeners' protectors of the green voice. Because even in silence, the seeds still whisper. You just have to listen. Protect nature. Listen to the earth. Be the change.